Alert Weather.
All right, so we still got some gusty winds with us here for the next few hours, but the winds are starting to taper down as we're getting in past sunset here for tonight. The wind advisories, the high wind warnings have all been put to bed here, so we're not dealing with any alerts in that department. We still got a few dark clouds out there with some spotty light snow and rain showers coming through the region tonight. With current wind speeds right now 19 miles an hour, the northwest in Idaho Falls, and 22-mile-an-hour winds out of the west in Pocatello. Here's a look at those wind gusts. We still have wind gusts in excess of 30 miles an hour, and at their peak, those winds early this morning were over 60 miles an hour at the Idaho Falls Airport. And we're seeing some light spotty snow showers still with us here on Viper radar as this cold front winds its way further to the east. But as we get through your Tuesday and Wednesday, high pressure starts building in from the west coast. But this is the culprit here, a very tight cold front coming down from the north, and of course now it's going to drop in some chilly conditions for tonight and tomorrow. Here's a look at the wind speeds. I want to start off by taking you into the next few hours. So we're about 6-7 o'clock tonight. We're still dealing with those winds into the teens and 20s. But like I said, once we get past sunset tonight and get into the overnight hours for Tuesday, the winds calming back down. We'll still have some breezy conditions at times for areas of central Idaho, but on the whole, as we get into tomorrow afternoon, the winds are at a much more manageable 10 to 15 miles an hour here for your Tuesday. Now on Vipercast, spotty snow showers in our local mountains late tonight. We'll have some chances of snow in areas of Lemhi and Custer County. Also, just a little bit of snow out there in western Wyoming and far eastern Idaho for tonight and tomorrow morning. Waking up with a slight chance of snow and around Jackson and Driggs and Yellowstone for tomorrow morning. But for the rest of us, we'll see partly cloudy skies. High pressure settling in here for tomorrow with just a few shower threats up around Yellowstone and near the Continental Divide. We'll have a little bit of snow still hanging up there here for tomorrow. But as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're building in high pressure here, and we're expecting to see rebounding temperatures back into the 50s and 60s by Wednesday, and by later this week we could even be dealing with some 70-degree temps as we get into the weekend, which is some great news, especially if you have plans for Easter weekend. We have temperatures right now at 43 for the high tomorrow in McCammon, 36 in Lava Hot Springs, with lows tonight getting pretty chilly, back into the teens and 20s for those overnight lows. Jackson, a low of 13 tonight, down to about 5 in Driggs, and will be about 16 tonight in Rexburg. And we still have some snow in the forecast and some cloud cover around Driggs and Jackson for tonight and tomorrow. Still also have a chance of some snow in Island Park tomorrow with highs around 34. We'll be into the upper 30s, low 40s for Salmon and Chouse. We'll be the upper 40s for Arco with highs into the mid 40s tomorrow for Idaho Falls, and the mid 40s also in Pocatello with lows tonight into the teens and 20s and just shy of 50 degrees out towards Burley and Twin Falls. In your extended forecast, winds tomorrow at 10 to 15 miles per hour. The sun's going to come out here with high pressure Wednesday and Thursday. And look at this, for Friday and Saturday, we're hitting highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Now, there's a bit of a disturbance that's going to come in late Sunday for Easter Sunday, and that's going to drop in a chance for some scattered showers and some gusty winds late Sunday through Monday and Tuesday to get us into next week, and therefore you see some dropping temperatures by next Monday. But for Pocatello for this Tuesday, we're hitting high 46 for tomorrow, 64 for Thursday. We're into the 70s for Friday, and we're into the 70s again for Saturday with the upper 60s in play on Easter Sunday. Overnight lows also starting to come up a bit, and we'll have overnight lows getting above freezing for a nice little change here. Blackfoot, 45 for the high tomorrow with 53 on Wednesday. We're into the 60s, the upper 60s on Friday, and the low 70s on Saturday. Going to Rexburg with a high 41 tomorrow. Still pretty chilly here for your Tuesday in Rexburg, and a breeze. We'll have winds tomorrow at 10 to 15 miles per hour and lows into the teens and 20s. But temperatures will get up into the high 60s by Saturday. Salmon, the upper 30s for tomorrow, but we're into the low 50s by Wednesday. So salmon will start to shake off that colder air as well and welcome in some nicer temperatures as we get into Friday and Saturday with highs well into the 60s. Jackson, a little bit of snow tonight, a little bit of snow tomorrow, but not much. Mainly sunny skies for Wednesday and Thursday, but even in Jackson, we're hitting the above average highs into the upper 50s, lower 60s to kick off this Easter weekend. Todd.
A little warm up coming.
Yeah.
All right, Michael, thanks a lot. Let's check your consumer news now. A mixed day on Wall Street. The Dow